So I am going to create a new topology, and here I am going to add the 3 router again and the 2 switch again and also the 2 PC again. Same I am going to create the same topology. Right, so and again I am going to give the IP address fast, means right now I am going to take some different network addresses. Like I am going to give the IP address for this is 11.1.1.1 and this is the IP address 11.1.1.2 and this interface IP address is 12 or 100.1.1.2 and here it is the IP address is 100.1.1.1 or 3 and subnet mask is 100 and I am giving the another IP address here is 10.1.1.1 and here is 10.1.1.10. Here is 192.168.1.10 and this is the IP address 192.168.1.1. This is the topology and here first I am going to configure this topology, means providing the IP address to the each interface. Interface is written here. I am going to enable this one. So enabling the interface, you can go configuration T and interface GIG 0/0/0 and IP address is 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay, and another interface is A1 and where the IP address is 11.1.1.1 and subnet mask 250.0.0 and no shutdown. Same command I need to run here. And yes, now I am on this router and here I am going to make the configuration again. Means I am just providing the IP address for this, not doing anything else. Interface GIG 0/0/0 and IP address is 11.1.1.2 and the subnet mask 255.0.0 and no shutdown. Okay, again I am going to put the IP address for the one. The IP address is 100.1.1.2 and subnet mask किस क्लास का है ये? Belongs to class A. So subnet mask here and now it is done. I am going to again enable this, giving the IP address for this router. So enable configuration T and here I am going to select the interface GIG 0/0/0 where you need to IP address 100.1.1.3 and subnet mask 255.0.0.0 and no shut. And again you need to select the interface is 0/0/1 and here you need to IP address 10.1.1.1 and subnet mask 250.0.0 and no shut. And similar I am going to provide the IP address to this machine and the IP address is 10.1.1.10 and default gateway is 10.1.1.1. Okay, this one. And again I am providing the IP address for this machine the IP address 192.168.1.10 and subnet mask is 192.168.1.1. Okay, right now I have done everything. There is a no routing table. There is a no routing table inside it. I am going to press Ctrl Z and show IP route. So you can see there is a route only for the direct connected. There is a no static route. There is a no default route. Because I am not going to here configure the route, I am going to configure here the dynamic route. To configuring the dynamic route, you need to enable the any routing protocol like RAP, OSPF, EIGRP, any protocol. So right now I am going to enable the So I need to run this command router RIP, which command is used for configuring the RIP. Okay, when I put the question mark, you can see there is a lots of the options are there. So you need to just enable the network. You need to provide the network, which network is there. So you just give the network and you need to put the network here is a network address. Network number. So here is a two number. One is this. So what is the network? 168.1.0. This is the network address. Okay, and hit enter. That's it. Another network is 11.0.0.0. Hit enter. Nothing else. Similar, I need to do this configuration. Exit. And here is router RIP, and here I need to add the two network 11.0.0 and another network is 100.0.0.0. Okay, because I am not giving the static entry, I am just enabling the RIP, and RIP will do everything by itself. And again I will use the router and RIP, and here I will provide the network address 100.0.0.0 and another network is 10.0.0.0. Okay, that's it. Exit. If I will show IP route when I will put, so you can see the 10 entry is there and 100 is there. Okay, it will take little bit time to provide to exchange the information in between. So show IP route, you can see the 10 where it is the 10, this route entry is there, 11 the entry 100, the entry is there, 192 is entry is there. So all the route information is there, 11, 100 and 10. And here you can see R means RIP. RIP has been enabled here. If the OSPF will be enabled here, so it will be display the O. And for the static, the S can be used. So yes, the information is there. If the information is there, so it is mean this computer must be communicated with this. So let's ping 10.1.1.10. So you can check out here, the reply is coming from the target machine. So what I have done, I have just used the dynamic routing protocol, and using the dynamic routing protocol RIP will make or create a routing table dynamically. So how you can check show IP route, and you can see the routing, the information for the 10 is there, for the 100 is there, and for the information for 192 network is there.